am back with another Walmart fall try-on haul. I love all things fall, especially clothing and college football. So I'm so excited to share with you some new pieces that I've picked up from Walmart. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and start off with this outfit. You have seen this before if you saw my last Walmart try-on haul. I picked this up in black and I love this so much. This is going to be the pieces that I reach for most in my closet. So I thought I'd pick it up in this green color as well. This is from Free Assembly. It does come separately. It's got a great quarter zip and then this oversized shawl collar. You can zip it all the way up, but to me, I don't like anything at my neck, so I don't ever do that. Then you've got these side slits, and then the pants are a cargo style with functioning pockets on the side. And then the bottoms are just a pull-on style, no drawstring. I love that. And then you have your side pockets. This is just such a great casual outfit to wear with sneakers. This is what I'm going to throw on all the time, picking up my kids, just doing activities with them. But I just think you can mix and match these pieces so much and you'll get so much wear out of these. And they're from Free Assembly, so they're a great quality. They run true to size. I did pick up both pieces in a medium. So I just decided to go ahead and keep the green pants on that I just showed you from Free Assembly and show you like another top that could go with these if you wanted to mix and match. And I love these two colors together. I think like a burnt orange and green looks so good together for fall. I love this. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like these two colors together? So it has some front kangaroo pockets and they are made with that waffle knit material. You got some ribbon detail at the bottom, slits on the side, and then you can see that on the sleeves, you've got the waffle knit detail right here. They always come out with some kind of mixed material sweatshirts from time to time every year. It does have a hoodie on the back. It's one of your thinner hoodies, so you don't have to worry about like it puffing up your hair in the back. These do run true to size. I do have this one in my normal size medium. I also wanted to show you that same mixed material sweatshirt in another color. I love this like burgundy with a purple undertone color. I think this is going to be so pretty for fall as well. And these boots are from Time and True. These are so comfortable. I cannot wait to start wearing these for fall. These are in the bone color and there's two other colors that it comes in. I've shown these to you before. I've even given you an up close of these, but I love these, you guys. I think they're going to go with so many different outfits. I'm loving the lady coat, lady cardigan looks, and I think it dresses up any kind of look, makes it look a little more sophisticated and expensive looking. And this one from Free Assembly is such a good one. This comes in a lot of colors, but classic navy with these big gold buttons just looked really rich and sophisticated. You can see on the sleeves, it's got this scallop detail, and then that also runs along at the neckline. The bottom is a straight hemline, but you can see this little tiered look. So this is something you can wear buttoned up by itself, or you could wear this over any kind of layering piece. But I do want to just show you something. When I barely move, it does show my midriff, so it is a little bit of a shorter style. So I'm wearing this in a medium, and I do think it runs true to size, and it's not gapping or anything like this in the buttons. I just think this is a really sophisticated look. And of course, I've just got this on really casual with some dark wash trouser jeans, but this would look so good with any of your work pants for a really polished work look. So I think they're calling this a sweatshirt from Time and True, but to me, this feels more like a lightweight sweater type material. It feels really nice. If you're familiar with the J. Crew, I think they call it the Seriously Soft sweaters. That's kind of the material I'm thinking of with this. So it's not quite a sweatshirt, what I would think of with the fleece lining or even a terry cloth lining. This feels more like a lightweight sweater, which I think is great. The price of this is so good. There are probably at least 10 or 12 different colors that this comes in, but again, I love this more purple toned color. It's got some ribbon detail at the bottom, also at the bottom of the sleeves, and then you've got these little slits on the side. I think it's a great length to just leave out, or if you wanted to, you could front take it a little bit for a different look. This is something that is light enough that you can layer under blazers. So this is something you can wear now when it gets a little bit cooler, but then when it even gets a little bit colder, you can have a more polished look and throw a blazer or a jacket over top of this. But if you have a business casual workplace, that you could get by with wearing this with some dress pants, and I think this would be a really good look. Love this, how comfortable it is. I'm wearing this in a medium. They run true to size and they feel so good. So here is the jacket that I wanted to show you over top of that little sweatshirt, just because I wanted to show you that it is thin enough that you can wear a layering piece over top of it. But then this is also really nice and fits well where you could wear a little bit of a thicker material underneath it. So this is so cute, this cropped trench style, because you can see the flaps in the back, so it's supposed to look like that classic trench. This is from Free Assembly, so great quality. And I cannot believe the price of this, you guys. It even has these side pockets. I love this neutral khaki color. You can see I have plenty of room buttoned up in this one. You have the button detail, and you can even cinch this a little bit because you have 2 buttons to make it a little bit tighter if you wanted to at the bottom. I love this trench jacket in this crop style. It's so pretty. So I did size down to a small. So while I just have that beautiful purple sweatshirt on, I wanted to show you another jacket. Again, this is from Free Assembly. You got these side pockets. It's more of your crop style. Now this actually reminds me of a wool blend peacoat, but just in a cropped style. So I did order this one in a medium. This is from Free Assembly as well. And the last one that I showed you, I did size down to a small in, but this one, you have plenty of room in this one as well. If you get it true to size, you can see how much room I have. I love this, you guys. This is so pretty. I think this comes in another color, maybe green possibly. If you like that classic wool peacoat or a wool blend peacoat, this is perfect if you like the crop style. The inside of it is lined, and it has this diamond quilting lining. It feels good on the inside as well. So this is really nice. The price on these are so unbelievable of the quality that you're getting with these. So love this. Thought it would be another great jacket. If you watched my last Walmart haul, you saw this in the brown color. And again, this is one that I feel I'm gonna go reaching for quite often this fall and even winter, because this is super cozy. And this is a 2-piece set that's actually sold together, so you don't have to worry about buying them separately. It's from Time and True. This is the softest material. It's got a sweater material. You can see it's got ribbing at the bottom of the sleeves, also ribbing at the bottom here. It does have a hoodie, and so you've got that hoodie style. The pants have this ribbed detail on the side. I think you can see it a little bit better with the brown ones I showed you last time. And then you just have pull-on style, lots of stretch, you guys, and up drawstring waistband. And I wanted to show you the length without any shoes on so you could see, and I'm 5'5". My measurements again will be in the description box. So you could lounge around in these if you wanted to. You can go out and do your casual activities, mix and match these things. They run true to size because I am wearing this in my normal size medium. So let's go ahead and talk about this quarter zip or half zip. This might be a half zip. I think this is great because it has these zippers on the side that actually do zip out if you want a little bit more movement on the side, because this is from their athletic line. So definitely if you're going to be running or something and you want this, they've got the zippers on the side so you can kind of vent that and give yourself a little bit more movement, or just, you know, leave them zipped for a great decoration. I think that makes this little tunic style half zip a little bit more interesting with that zipper detail. Now it's a little bit longer in the back than the front, but you have your booty coverage, so you could definitely wear this with leggings if you wanted to. I just wanted to show it to you with those really great lounge pants, those comfortable, cozy knit style pants that I showed you with the hoodie just a moment ago. This is super cozy as well. As you can see, the inside right here, you've got that nice fleece lining. So it's gonna be super cozy. You've got your half zip, another zipper detail here, zipper details on the side. So it gives it a little bit of interest, runs true to size. I have picked it up in my normal size medium. So I want you to see the whole outfit for this one. I'm not usually a person who likes to wear skirts, but this one I could not pass up. When I saw this one, I thought it was so adorable. But I also wanted to show you the shoes. So these are from Scoop. They're a kitten heel, and they have all of this buckle detail, which makes them so cute. So first of all, let's talk about this cardigan. Again, this is one of those really nice lady cardigans from Free Assembly. It's in this beautiful white color with these gold button details. Again, very expensive looking. Love it. Now the sleeves are actually the right length for me, surprising. It has that tweed look, and I'm wearing it in a medium, so it does run true to size. If you're a little bit bustier though, consider sizing up if you're wanting to wear it completely buttoned, but I am wearing this one in a medium, and I think this comes in one other color, which is a striped option. Just look at this close up. It has a texture weaving to it, so really nice. And then this skirt is also from a Free Assembly. Now it does hit right above the knees on me, and I just think this is so cute. I love the dark denim detail. And then these shoes, the kitten heel with the buckle detail that run true to size. So here are the shoes. They have that buckle detail here at the side, and you can also buckle to adjust the back, how it's gonna fit. It's got your small little kitten heel, and then it has a lot of cushion all the way inside of this. Now, this is more of a pointed toe. I did pick this up in a size 10, which is my normal size. I have a wide foot, and it does fit, but I've only had these on for like 15 or 20 minutes, so I'm not sure all day long how comfortable these are gonna be, if they're gonna pinch my wider foot. But if you have a regular or a narrow foot, these are definitely going to be really good. So I wanted to show you another cute way to style this skirt. Oh, I forgot to tell you that the skirt had pockets, which is really nice as well. This top is from Scoop, and it's got this really great interest here on the side. So you can see it's got this extra panel of material that just makes it really cute how it ruffles, and it's got some feminine details to it. You got the split sleeve V neckline. This is really nice, and I think this comes in maybe 2 other colors, but I loved it in this blue, and I thought it looked really good with the dark denim skirt. So definitely definitely runs true to size. I'm wearing this in a medium. I do have it front tucked, and I just think this is so great. Of course, you don't have to wear it with a skirt. You can wear this with some work pants and have a really great work look. The material is a 100% polyester material, but I just think this is such a nice top to be able to dress up for work, and I just love the way it does look with this skirt. And you've seen this top before in black. So I picked this up in black. It's from Scoop, and I loved it so much I wanted to pick it up in the cream color. I think that's the only two colors that this comes in. It's got a really great V-neck with this collar style, and then you have buttons that are fabric covered, but they're too long for me, so I have to kind of just flip them back up. And then you do have a longer style, but I do have it front tucked. This is just such a great dressier style blouse. It has that satin look to it, and I think that it really dresses up this denim skirt. And this does run true to size. I did pick this up in my normal size medium. And then if you really want to dress this skirt up, you can throw this blazer on. So this is that same white or that cream color top that I just shared with you in that satin look. And then I've just paired one of those scuba knit blazers over top of this. Guys, I get these in every color. They're just so good. The material's nice. They've got that ruching detail on the sleeves. And I loved it in this green color because, you know, green is just going to be so popular this coming fall. So I thought this would go so good with so much. Had to pick up another one of these. These I always pick up in a medium, so they do run true to size. They're just so nice and stretchy. And as you can see, they're not lined on the inside. They're a nice knit material, that scuba knit material that's so popular at Walmart. And it's for good reason because it feels so good. I was hoping this may work together because this blazer is a denim blazer from Free Assembly, and it's got that same kind of stitches just like the skirt does. So I was hoping that this would be a really good look together. Now, I love a great denim blazer. I think it's so good, and this one feels good quality. And then look at the back, you've got some seaming that really makes it flattering in the back as well. This is just like another Free Assembly blazer that I picked up over the summer, a seersucker, where it fit everywhere except when I would go like this with my shoulders, it was a little tight because I am a little bit more broad shoulder. So this is in a medium, and I can button it, but it's a little bit tight. So I've actually ordered this in a large because I think a large may be a little bit of a better fit. But I did want to show this to you because I don't know if this will sell out or not. So I wanted to at least get this shown to you so you can see what it looked like. So this is in my normal size and medium, and I'm just going to go to a large just because I think it'll be a better fit in the shoulders because I don't have a lot of stretch in that shoulder area. You do have pockets that are just stitched. I haven't unstitched them, so you can see that you do have that pocket. It's not lined on the inside. This looks quality. So I wanted just to show you a few different ways that you could wear this skirt because I think this skirt is so good. Next up is going to be this dress from Free Assembly. This has a really cute pattern on here. I think there's a solid option as well, but this was really cute. It does have some side pockets. You can see it's got this pleating like tier detail. It is a button top at the front, and these are functioning buttons, so if you want to unbutton it a little bit more, you can do that. It hits me right up above the knee, and I like how it has a little bit of a longer style in the back, and I love how slinky feeling it is. It is not lined. It's more of a thinner material. I picked mine up in a size medium, and I just love it, guys. This is such a nice dress. I just want to say thanks so much for sticking around to the end with me, you guys. I have this and one more jacket to share with you. Walmart has just had so many good things. These hauls just keep getting better and better. I thought my last one was the most epic one, but I don't know, this one's a good one too. So this is a oversized boyfriend sweater, and I love how soft this feels, you guys. This is a cardigan that you can wear completely buttoned because it is high enough that you can do that, or you can leave it open if you want to use it really truly as a cardigan. But I love the way it looks just as a sweater. And this has top pockets here, super soft. I love this, you guys. So it's got that more oversized fit. I am wearing it in a medium. I think it looks so good with denim. This is just a really nice cardigan that you're going to want to wear in the cooler temperatures because it's really nice and cozy, feels good. It's just super soft. This is a nice one. And it's from Free Assembly. It runs true to size because I'm wearing it in a medium. Last up is this satin bomber jacket. You guys, this is so nice. So how do you do bomber jackets? I like to roll them under because they've got that really nice thick band. So I like to roll mine under, but do you all just like lay yours out like this? I don't know. It's got that nice tight band at the bottom. Love this color. The material makes this color look so luxurious. It's just so beautiful, you guys. Love it. So this is from Scoop, and I am wearing it in a medium, so it does run true to size. Now it does have side pockets, but they're stitched, so I have not unstitched them yet, but they do have the side pockets here. So nice. You could dress up any look with this satin bomber, and bomber styles are so popular right now. This is nice. I think it comes in black as well, but this color is gorgeous in the satin. Okay guys, that is going to be it for this Walmart try-on haul. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I know in my last Walmart video, so many people responded that I talk too fast. And guys, that's something I've been doing for 45 years. It is really hard to try to think about talking slower, but I hope that I accomplished that in this video because I really was focusing on trying to talk slower while focusing on what I wanted to tell you guys as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.